Welcome to So Techie YouTube channel. Today we are going to see one amazing website which can help you to create your text into amazing animated videos. Let's get started. First go to the website text2video.in. Then click on the typewriter animation. Choose the video size, paste your text or write your text, choose the background color, set the font size, face and style, set the text effect. If you are using UTF-8 language or emoji, do not set the alignment. Click on animated button. Wait for the animation to complete. You can see the get download link button. You can hit it and wait for the render. It's ready. You can download it and share it with your favorite applications like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, etc. So this is how you can make amazing text into videos in just a minute. Try it today. Go to text2video.in. Thanks for watching.